Hi students, how are you? I hope all are fine and doing good. Stay at home and be safe. Eat healthy food. Avoid going out of your house. Wash your hands frequently. Take bath regularly. Don't waste your food. Eat healthy vegetables and fruits. Today we are going to see grade 5 English subject poem 1. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creature. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. There is a home for bird and refreshing place for the herd. This virtue is our culture. Follow it in your future. Always welcome with smiling face. Wins the hearts in life's race. Fortune knocks with its best those who cares for their guest. Once again, we will see that summary of that poem. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. The Mother Nature hospitality we can see. It gives the hospitality. Okay, yeah. It gives everything to all creature. It provides everything to the creature. There are no strangers under the tree. Strangers means here the unknown person. Hospitality means taking good care of the guest and visitor. Taking good care of the uh, guest and visitors. Okay, yeah. There is no strangers under the tree. There is no one is there under the tree. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. Enjoy the shadows. Shadows means nilal. Okay, yeah. Fruits for free. There is a home for bird. Even the bird has home and refreshing place for the herd. The herd has the refreshing place. Okay, a refreshing place. பறவைகளுக்கும் இடம் இருக்குது. அங்கே இருக்கிற அந்த ஆடு மாடுகளுக்கும் வந்து புத்துணர்ச்சி அளிக்கிறதுக்கு வந்து அங்கே இடம் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. திஸ் வர்ச்சியூ இஸ் அவர் கல்ச்சர். திஸ் இஸ் அவர் கல்ச்சர். ஃபாலோ இட் யுவர் ஃப்யூச்சர். ஃபாலோ இட் in your future. We have to follow everything in our life. Okay, yeah. Always welcome with smiling face. We have to welcome the guest with our smiling face. Wins the hearts in life's race. That's what it will win the life. It will win the hearts of the life. Fortune knocks with its best those who cares for their guest. Even அந்த இது வந்து என்னது, விருந்தினரை நம்ம வந்து அக்கறையோடு கவனிப்பவருக்கு தான் வந்து என்னது சிறப்பான அதிர்ஷ்டம் வந்து சேரும். ஈவன் த ஃபார்ச்சூன் நாக்ஸ் அட் த டோர் தோஸ் ஹூ வெல்கம்ஸ் த கெஸ்ட் வித் அ ஸ்மைலிங் ஃபேஸ். வித் அ ஸ்மைலிங் ஃபேஸ். Okay, next we are going to learn about the past perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to show that an event has happened in the past and has present consequence. You also know the forms of the verbs. They are present tense, past tense, past participle, present participle. Present tense means goes. Past tense went. Past participle gone. Present participle going. We use past participle form of the verb along with the words have or has to show the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense க்கு the rules வந்து have அல்லது has plus verboட அந்த past participle V3 form வந்து you have to write it. Okay, I have played cricket. For I we have to use have. We have, you have, he she it. For he she it third person singular only we have to use has. And they have. You have played cricket, we have played cricket, they have played cricket, he has played cricket, she has played cricket, it has played cricket. In the above example you can see that verb is in the past participle form for all the subject. Only the words have or has changes. Has is used for he, she and it. Have is used for I, you, we and they. Choose the correct verb form of the following sentence. I have visited Taj Mahal. We is a plural form. We have to write it. We have caught the animal in our trap. You have caught a beautiful painting. They have dressed in yellow color. He has bought a house in America. She has written her exam. It has left the bus stop. An event that happened in the past that affects the present. We are going to UT. Will you come with us? No, I have gone to Uti many times. Where is your father? He has gone to shop. He will return soon. Okay, where we can use that past participle. That means present perfect tense. In the already here, one boy is telling we are going to Uti. Will you come with us? For that he is telling I have gone many times, so I am not coming. நான் ஏற்கனவே போயிருக்கேன், so I am not coming. Where is your father? He has gone to shop. எங்கே போயிருக்காங்க? எங்கள் அப்பா வந்து கடைக்கு போயிருக்காங்க. He will return soon. Action that has complete recently. Yeah, I have completed my homework. Recent action. When the action completed recently, we can use present perfect tense. Stop. The train is gone. So just now the train is gone. For that we have to tell. Filling the blanks. I have never seen a cobra. Have. We have to use have. We have not found the dog yet. You have arrived the right time. They have written 3 letters already. He, she. Only for he, she, it we have to write it has. So he has just lost his velvet. She has never forgotten her bag. Rewrite the following sentence using the given words. I have read this story. So what we have to add it? She. She means here we have to write it has. She has read the story. Samruddhi has given the book. Samruddhi is a girl. That means she. So here they told to write starting with we. We have given the book. My friends have come to the party. My here plural form. So here they have given singular form. My friend has come to the party. The manager has accused him. You have accused him. The fight has lost the contact. I has lost the contact. Change the following sentence to present perfect tense. She writes a letter to her friend. She has written a letter to her friend. Next, Muhammad loses his purses in the crowd. Muhammad has lost his purse in the crowd. Lost, L-O-S-T. V3 form on the L-O-S-T. Lost his purse in the letter. They means here plural form. They have eaten. So V3 form on the eaten. All the bananas themselves. They have eaten all the bananas themselves. Next, I have bought. I have booked 2 tickets for my brother. Mahesh has given the book to his friend. Choose the verb and complete the sentence. John has prepared a letter to his father. Returned a letter to his father. Akshaya's brother have prepared to the educational tour. We have won the first prize twice a days. Hilda has a dash new toy to play. Okay, Hilda has a new toy to play. Vidya and Batima have prepared biryani for the party. That's what we have seen in this class. Okay, in this class we have seen about the poem Mother Nature and present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Okay, Mother Nature, what all the things it provides to the creature, that's what we have seen. And about past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, the action just completed. Where we have to use now? The action just completed, or the action started in the past and continued for some times. That in that case we have to use present perfect tense. Perfect tense. For I, we, you, they. For these things we have to use have plus V3 form. And he, she, it, that means third person singular, we have to use has plus past participle. Have plus past participle or V3 form we have to use it. Thank you children. Watch the video and learn the exercise. Thank you.